A marvelous good afternoon to everyone. I thought we all are being happy till now. We all of us know that every year the season has been changing and we have different seasons throughout the year. Now we are going to face a season which is called summer season. In summer season we face many problems. If we take an example, we face a lot of problem with water scarcity. In our India, more than 50% of the population has no access of safe drinking water and 200,000 people die every year for lack of access of safe drinking water. About 82% of rural households are without piped water supply. In fact, one study found that the water scarcity can be reduced significantly by 2050 if we take some practical changes. They are developing the water system and improving water efficiency and water restoring the water in reservoirs. These steps have taken by the government. But what steps we have taken to reduce the water scarcity individually? If you think once, what steps we have taken individually to reduce the water scarcity? In previous year, for that we have taken the challenge one bucket challenge. Now also we are going to take this challenge to reduce the water scarcity. If we take this challenge of one bucket water, if we can reduce the water scarcity and it will be useful for our next generations. Hopefully, I thought everyone will take this challenge and make our India as a water resource country. Thanking you.
Hi, I'm Milka Swero, pursuing degree final year from TSWRDC Vanparthi College. As I'm here to talk with you the importance of water, World Water Day, and why we got scarcity of water throughout India. Because India has only 4% of freshwater resources throughout India, and despite a population of over 1.3 billion people. Water scarcity in India is an ongoing crisis which affects many people, nearly 1 million people every year. And some of the major causes and reasons for this water shortage is the first is climate change, and the second is natural calamities, droughts and floods. Third is the increase in human consumption. Fourth is the overuse and wastage of water, and the fifth is the global rise in freshwater demand. These are the 5 reasons and causes for this fresh water scarcity. And also that several cities and places are experienced in recent years with this water shortage, with Chennai be the most prominent in 2019, and which are affected by this water shortage are resulting to the closure of many hotels, restaurants and businesses. According to the idea of the reported Niti Ayodhya, it means National Institution Transformation India. They in at least 21 major cities have completely out of the groundwater, and also the growing population and the over exploitation and unequal distribution of water among the social groups are the main causes and reasons for this water shortage. To prevent this one and to stop this water shortage, World Water Day on 22nd March since from 1996, it mainly focuses on the importance of fresh water. The aim of this World Water Day is to raise awareness among the people of water. And the aim of this World Water Day is valuing water. The value of water is not much more than its price. It is enormous and a complex value for household work like food, education, culture, and integrity of a natural environment. And one day itself, the United Nations have um, declared and released the same topic as per the day and the recommending policies of the decision maker. And also it inspires many people to share ideas about the water and to take concrete actions of conservation and preservation of water. And around the people of the world come together, governments, non-government, CSO organizations, youth, and all the public together gather and they will celebrate this World Water Day. The aim of this World Water Day is to raise awareness among the people through water. And also that December 1992, the United Nations declared as the 22nd March as the World Water Day. It also prevents the biological diverse ecosystem. The safe water is necessary for all the workplaces like schools, farms, factories, education, and like this, and all the daily activities necessary for this water. And to prevent this one, to start this one, we introduced from all college is one bucket challenge. I hope and I kindly request all to implement this one bucket challenge. By because while bathing, so many members are using showers. I request all to not to use showers because if we use that one, it may lead to and it may lack of water and it may lead to a water scarcity also. I request all to use only one bucket for bathing. And while washing or brushing, I request all to turn off the tap so that we can save water for further generation. There should be no leakage in bathrooms or toilets so that we can save water in this way also. And also that if we implement this one bucket challenge, we can save 100 buckets of water for further generation. I hope and kindly request all to implement this one bucket challenge for further generation. So thank you.
Hi, this is Uma. Take one bucket challenge and save water.
Hi, this is Sinuja. Take one bucket challenge, save water.
Hi, this is Navjyoti. Take one bucket challenge and save water.